Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ARTR. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes really summarizing today's price action pretty straightforward. So if you're to force me into a corner and say, Clay, look, what happened today? This one was an absolute pump and dump. There's no other way to put it. And the proof is in the price action. So this is not theory. This is based on the fact of how the price acted. Now, when I say pump and dump, I don't know anything about the company, so I'm not making that comment directed towards the company. I'm making the comment based towards how the price acted, hence the price action. And what is my definition of a pump and dump, which I think is pretty universal? A price makes a really nice move up, and then within a relatively short amount of time, the price is back to where it started, or in some cases lower. So let's kind of quickly go through the definition here. So where did all this start? Well, it all essentially started when the price broke outside of this resistance area right here at 001. I mean, you can see for quite a while the price was trapped below it. But, Clay, that's kind of, let's say the starting point was right there when the price broke up above 0007. So, I mean, down here, you look at the chart, and you can see right there, it did act as resistance, So we'll call that the starting point, just to give things a little bit more leeway. So again, that was the starting point, and we'll actually change that to support because the price did get above it. So you would want to see that act as support. So let's go through the definition. Price makes a really nice move up. Well, the price, like we said, started right there, and then it went all the way up there. Any rational person, I'm assuming we would all agree, yeah, that was a really nice move. Second part of the definition, within a relatively short amount of time. Considering this all happened, it being the price pulling back, occurred today, as in 1 day, I think we can all agree once more that this did happen in a very short amount of time. The price goes back to where it started, or in some cases lower. So again, it started here. Where did the price close today? All the way down there. So I mean, if you correspond that to, back here on the chart, I mean, it's literally back to where it was before, even this little gradual move right here started. So if that's not a pump and dump, I don't know what is. Am I saying the price can never make a great move again? No, absolutely not. So you could say, well, it's back to the drawing board for the bulls as another way to look at it. Because, I mean, these are penny stocks, so maybe this thing will just totally boomerang back upwards tomorrow. But as things stand right now, there's really no other way to put it based on the price action. Like I said, that is the only point of view that I'm talking about, is how the price is acted. And it's pretty cut and dry as far as the price making a great move and now being down literally less than where everything even started. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.